So, you want to create a custom email like info@yourdomain.com. Let's get started. First, log into your OlaSites dashboard. Now, under your web hosting plan, click on Login to cPanel. Once you're in, go to the top search bar, type Email Accounts, and click on it. On the next page, you'll see a button that says Create. Click that. Here's where the magic happens. Enter the email you'd like. For example, info@olasites.com. Then, set your password, or just hit Generate to create a strong one. Done? Awesome. Your email is now live. To check your inbox, head back to the Email Accounts page and hit Check Mail next to your new address. Boom, you're in. Webmail opens up automatically, or even quicker. Just go back to your OlaSites dashboard and click Login to Webmail under your hosting plan. Either way, your email is ready to go. Create it, use it, and look professional with OlaSites.